Hi, and welcome to part 2 of our video series introducing the new instrument review feature for Armature Fabric. In this video, I'm going to focus on how to conduct reviews from the perspective of staff, reviewers, and programs or institutions. Let's start with the staff perspective. Once an instrument has been completed and submitted, a review may be initiated. To do this, navigate to the instrument you would like to start a review for and click on the Add Review button. From here, choose a review type and add a review team type. You can then add individual reviewers or build a team of reviewers in the same way you would create a site visit team. Once a review has been created, it can be accessed by the review team. As you can see, we have a criterion and a few questions that have been submitted as part of the original response. In order to pull up the reviewer's menu, click on a criterion or question. On the right, you will see the reviewer has a few options. First, they can edit the original response. Note that this is an option that can be turned off. This also gives the reviewer the ability to choose a rating if the setting is enabled for the review. A reviewer can also request a modification of the original response. Once all requests for modifications are recorded, the instrument can be released back to the program or institution for amendments by clicking on the Request Changes button at the bottom of the screen. Text about a modification being requested may also be added here. Please note that this process may be repeated as many times as necessary before submission. Previous modifications and comments may be tracked here, and you can see the history of each criterion by clicking next to the Modify Original Response button. Once a request for modification has been submitted, a program or institution respondent may re-enter the instrument and respond to the reviewer's requests. To do so, navigate to the organization representative page and click on the In Progress Review. This will take the respondent directly to the review itself. From here, the respondent can review each item from the original response, along with any requests for feedback or modifications. These are highlighted in orange and can be filtered so that only items with associated requests are shown. Replies may be added here, or the original responses may be modified. Once the respondent is ready to submit, a list of changes made are presented to the user for verification before final submission. Finally, the reviewer has an opportunity to address the respondent's updates, modifications, and comments before finally submitting the review itself. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please reach out to your primary point of contact here at Armature, and we will be happy to discuss the new features in more detail.